Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello. Welcome back to our English class with Teacher Yet. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine. So, are you ready to learn? Today, we will read a story about Ted and Faye. It's in your textbook, page 62 and 63. Our learning objectives for today are, by the end of our lesson, people should be able to, first, listen and read for pleasure, and second, revise vocabularies and structures learned in previous lessons. Our topic for today is the cooking competition. It's Wednesday afternoon. Ted and Faye are in class. Every month, they have a cooking competition. I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip. Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted? Yes, of course. Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much. Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes, and a pineapple. What are you making? It's a surprise. This month, Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad. Her food is always bad. Congratulations, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious. Thanks, miss. That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition. Faye, let's cook together. Okay, Dad. For 1 month, Faye and her dad cooked and cooked and cooked. Today is the cooking competition. Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate, and some eggs. What are you making? It's a surprise, miss. Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good. And Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Faye's turn. Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip? Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Faye. You're the winner. So what is the value of this story? Practice makes perfect. That's the end of our lesson. For tutorial, answer these comprehension questions. Circle the correct answer. Do it in your E1. Question number 1. What day is it? A. It's Wednesday morning. B. It's Wednesday afternoon. C. It's Wednesday evening. Question number 2. Where are Faye and Ted? A. They're in class. B. They're at home. C. They're at Miss Tulip's house. Question number 3. Does Faye like cooking? A. I don't know. B. Yes, she does. C. No, she doesn't. Question number 4. What does Faye's dad tell her? A. He tells her to try again. B. He tells her to cook with him. C. He tells her to stop cooking. Question number 5. What do Faye and her dad do for a month? A. They're making mess. B. They eat and eat. C. They cook and cook. Question number 6. Are Faye's pancake cooked? A. I don't know. B. Yes, they are. C. No, they aren't. And the last question is, who's the winner at the end of the story? A. Ted. B. Faye. C. Miss Tulip. That's all. Bye.